everyone. My name is Angela Smith Pollard of Smiling Dog Art Studio in Roblin, Ontario, Canada. I'm opening my studio doors for the first time with the Lennox and Addington Studio Tour, September 9th and 10th. I'm excited to introduce you to my modernistic style with acrylic paint. I use a lot of bright, vibrant colors and neutrals in my work. My inspirations come from a lifetime of immersing myself in nature, from Northern Ontario to the Gulf of Mexico. I find that exploring in nature has led me to, in my personal life and in my art life, transfers onto the canvas. Being able to use my intuition, my intuitiveness, while I create my memories, my stories, my actual dreams, frees me up to be in the moment every day, and I absolutely love it. As a self-taught artist, I continue my education with masterist.com. This fall I'm looking into mentorships, a 6-month mentorship, and that's very exciting with a professional artist. I'm pushing my boundaries and getting out of my comfort zone with some new experimentation with mixed media, collage, and gel press fun. Are a few of my examples that I've been working on here. I can't wait to show you my hard work here in the studio, and I'm also looking forward to giving you a free, yes, free art lesson with my sunset through the sumacs. So you'll be able to take home a little gift and reminder of your fun here. And also too, just a quick reminder that September 9th and 10th, the Lennox and Addington Studio Tour, you can also go to Eureka and download the app. It's very friendly, user-friendly. And here's the cheesy part. Let your smile change the world, but don't let the world change your smile. Have a great day, guys, and we'll see you soon.